Today, I'm going to tell you why you should not buy lead lists, because if you believe that they are a shortcut to success on Amazon, you are just wrong. Let me just tell you, you are wrong. All right. Before we do, this video was directly inspired by we were having a discussion on the Discord server. So shout out my man Tile. I'm sorry, brother, if this is not how you say your name. I'm sorry. But yeah, we were having a discussion talking about lead list, and this is how this video came to be. So join the Discord, best place to hang out with other Amazon sellers, best place to ask any questions. We have a ticket system, so if you want to show me some leads and ask me my opinions on some lead without the other guys actually seeing the ASINs and stuff, you can do it. Best place to ask any questions you may have, and let's dive into the video. So if you are on the Discord server, you know that last month, actually not last month, but the month before that, I bought some lead lists. I bought two, just to test stuff and see how it was, if it was actually worth it, and stuff. And I'm sorry, I'm so mad that I lose my voice. And I was disappointed. I'm just going to tell you straight up, I was disappointed. And I'm going to tell you why. I wasted money. And it's not a lot of money, but it's still money that I could have invested in my, I'm not going to trip about $15, but you know, a lot of you guys do not have a lot of capital, and $15 is you'd rather just spend that money into your business, into inventory, right? And so the first lead list I bought was from this website, from the Profit Mine. And keep in mind, all those lead lists that I bought were actually highly recommended on some, I only bought two, I said all those lead lists, but you get what I mean. Those lead lists that I bought were actually it was not just some random ass lead list, it was lead lists that were recommended by other sellers that actually have a brand on Twitter and stuff, right? So yeah, this is the first one. The Profit Mine was from the Profit Mine. And I was kind of mad actually regarding this one, because it was $15, I believe. They release new lead list every single day, and you know, if you spend money, this is what the list this is the lead list. All right, this is it. And as I said, I was kind of mad about this one, because I was so mad that I actually sent an email to Jason from Profit Mine, and I told him, the product in row 6 on the lead list I bought is a mismatch. I gave him the ASIN, and it was not the same SPF. It was not the same product, you know. And if you pay for something, you should receive, if I pay for, how much is it? It was, if I pay for 10 leads, I should receive 10 leads, you know. I should not receive, if there's a mismatch, at least, you know, I'm not going to trip about $1.50, but I paid you that money for a service. Right, I paid you that money to receive 10 leads. One of the leads is not so it's $1.50 a lead, right? One of those leads is not, it's just a mismatch. So at least try to make things right, you know. I give you my money, try to make things right. I sent him an email on March 3rd, and this guy did not answer. He did not reply to my email. So yeah, Jason, I'm mad. Fix your stuff, get some, figure out how you're supposed to customer, and do not scam beginners. All right, because you're trash, your lead lists are trash. I'm sorry, it was trash. It was super trash. And I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you the second lead list. So just look at this lead list from Jason from Profit Mine, and look at this lead list from OA. And so you can see already that there's more work put into it. This lead list was actually decent. It was not super good, but it was decent. Actually, I think there's a few there. I bought some leads and they were okay. So definitely, if you want to buy some lead lists, look at OA, and do not buy lead lists from the Profit Mine. It's trash. And doesn't even answer emails when you do something wrong. You know, I give you the benefit of you haven't answered for 2 months, right? Almost. It's, yeah, you have an answer for 2 months and a half. So, you know, I'm not going to follow up. You know, I'll give you a chance. You did not make things right. I'm not going to trip about $1.50, but you know, I'm not going to recommend this. But you should not, as I said, you should not buy lead lists. It's not worth it, especially if you're a beginner, because you should learn how to source. And the only reason I actually bought some lead lists is to potentially find new websites, find new source that I could potentially source, because I was feeling like all the leads that I started seeing were from the same, like it were always the same products, you know, and it happens sometimes when you get stuck. And I was trying to expand a little bit, and I expanded my business a little since then. But yeah, this is the reason why I bought lead list. But if you think that you can rely on lead list, you know, to source and stuff, like, you're gonna get disappointed. All right, you need to learn how to source yourself. And if you start feeling like, you know, you need to expand your business and stuff, you need to learn more website, you need to learn new categories, maybe just buy some lead list and see, maybe you're gonna find some product that you can start reverse sourcing from and stuff. But like, I'm gonna save your ass. Do not do it. Like, do not do it if you're a beginner. It's not worth it. You're gonna waste money. Learn how to source. It takes some time. It takes some time. You know, do not be in a rush. Learn how to source, and it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out for you. Just put in the time, put in the work. It's gonna work. Do not buy lead list. Especially do not buy lead list from the profit mine. And yeah, OA, and I would recommend it, but you need to set your expectations straight. The products you're gonna find are not super great products, right? They are okay products most of the time. And also a thing is that, like, if you find a great product, like usually the leads that you find are, I'd say, like B tier leads. It's not like crazy good leads, but whenever there's a great lead on the, and this is from my limited experience, by the way, whenever there's a great lead on a lead list, there's something wrong with the source. So it's a great lead, but like the website will cancel every single order that you're gonna place, or it's gonna be a mission to order a lot of inventory because they only allow you to buy 3 and it's a cheap product, so it does not make sense, you know, it's not worth your time. This is what you're gonna see a lot when it comes to that. Also, as Tile mentioned, and I saw this is true, they do not actually look at, like, it's really like the way they source is really not good. They do not look at variation, and I saw that in my own lead list. They will give you a lead that looks good because the rank is super high, but the specific variation you have is not selling at all. And you'll see that time and time again. Like, it's not worth it. Lead lists are not worth it, to be honest. Learn how to source. Join the Discord, watch my videos on sourcing. You'll be straight. You'll be able to make money. You'll be able to at least get to where I am today. All right, you'll be able to get at least you'll be able to be close to 40,000 a month if you do everything that I say on my videos, because I share everything. I really share everything. I'm not gatekeeping stuff. Everything that I do, I share it in my videos. I often made a video last month explaining, like, you'll see, just subscribe, you'll see what I do. Watch all the video that I make. Look on the screen right now, you'll see all the videos that I make on sourcing on Amazon if you're new here. And I release a new video every single day at 3 p.m. on, you know, on Amazon and selling on Amazon and stuff. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see them. It's not always at 3 p.m. For example, yesterday I released the video at 3 a.m. because I did something wrong when I scheduled the video. But yeah, you'll get a video every single day. All right, watch them all. You'll be straight. Don't buy lead list. It's free. Just watch the videos. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.